Hey everyone, this is the new Tronsmart Bluetooth speaker. It's called the T7, and I was completely surprised at how amazing this speaker sounded. It is comparable to any other 360-degree Bluetooth speaker on the market. I actually have another one that was about $200 when I purchased this. And compared to the price of this T7, which is $59.99 on Amazon, this was just as good, if not better sounding. So definitely worth the price. And I think I'm going to start using this over my $200 one. The speaker comes with a USB charger that you'll see me pulling out of this little black box here in a second. And the cool part about this is that while you're playing music through it, there is an RGB light that rotates through colors around that volume knob I'm twisting there, which is a really cool feature. Next, I wanted to show you what it's like to turn it on and play with the volume button and actually hear what the music sounds like on it, because I am very impressed with how this sounds, and I hope you enjoy it. I highly recommend this speaker, and you can find it on Amazon under Tronsmart T7. I would love to share a link here, but unfortunately every time I share a link it gets blocked. So I'm just telling you, you can search Amazon for Tronsmart T7.